Well, the cooling is taking its time, but it is happening, especially with the air as dry as it is, the wind settling down. We're now easing back through the 60s. And I think by, maybe 5:30 in the morning, a lot of us are going to find ourselves somewhere in the mid to upper 50s. Those showers that were dropping south across the Adirondack region and the counties north and east of Lake Ontario, all that's left of them now just some sprinkles over the southeastern part of the state. That loop goes back 3 hours. This one goes back 6 hours, and this is what I'm talking about. That's all the threat we had during the evening, and that was it. The front that came through today that brought the burst of rain and the fresh, cool air is now situated right across the northern part of Virginia and Maryland, and it extends eastward through the Ohio Valley. You can see the showers right along it to Missouri, right back down into north central Texas, where it is met by Bill. So you got cooler air to the north, warm tropical air to the south, and the remnants of Bill starting to lift north and east through Texas. All indications by our computer models suggest that this thing's going to track north and east right along that frontal boundary over the next few days. As far as we're concerned here in central New York, we're watching it. Thursday, Oklahoma, Friday, southern Missouri, Saturday, looks like southwestern Ohio or maybe the southern part of Indiana. And beyond that through Sunday, there's some question as to whether it's going to be southern Pennsylvania or northern Pennsylvania. That would make or break whether the showers or thunder showers we have on Sunday would be heavy or not. So we'll be talking about that for sure as we go through the week. In the meantime, this is a forecast map of moisture in the atmosphere. And look at the nice drying that is taking place. Really, the deep moisture, the important rain-making stuff, is where you see mostly the darker shades of green. So even this lighter green is pretty dry air. As we go through the day Wednesday, it stays away. But then southerly winds start to take over Wednesday night and Thursday. And that moisture is coming right back at us again. That should be enough to generate an isolated shower or thunder shower Thursday afternoon or Thursday evening. But at this point, I don't think the rains Thursday are going to be widespread. At least that's what the newer data coming in right now says. All right, so tomorrow morning, again, mid-50s to maybe near 60, cooler to the north and west of Syracuse, where the air has been cooled already by Lake Ontario. But by noon, many of us approaching the 70-degree mark, if not even breaking that. And I think during the latter part of the afternoon, with some wisps of clouds around, temperatures in the mid-70s to near 80. All right, so we've got rain in the forecast for Thursday, drier air coming in for Saturday, and it looks as though now it looks as though I'm going to have to change this. I thought I had this problem fixed, but the game went later than expected. This planning forecast is on a clock, and since we're past midnight, it now thinks we're well into the next day. So here we go again. Let me ad lib through this, okay? Wednesday's the dry day. Thursday, you can always just take the dates and shift them down. Thursday's the date where we could see an afternoon or evening shower or even thunder shower. That pulls out of here Friday. We got dry weather for Saturday, showers and storms coming in here for Sunday, and then a humid start to next week. That part of the forecast you see there is correct.